here, we're presenting a 2024 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP. Welcome to RV Select. My name is Sune Stewart. As you can see, we have this beautiful oversized electric recliners. We have the button for the televator that you can use next to that. Across from the recliners, we have this wonderful big sofa that's equipped with air mattress. We have this beautiful dishwasher underneath the stove, and it's the upgraded rooftop. Microwave is equipped with air fryer as well. Not everyone has ceiling fans. In the middle of the night when you're hot and sweaty, you can just turn on your fan in your bedroom. And as we walk through the bedroom, you can see there's no carpet anywhere. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. The 45 OPP is very popular amongst all the diesel pushers. It's this flat floor and that huge walk-in closet that we have in the master bathroom. It's flat floor, you don't have to worry about tripping and falling. Dual sinks. This 2024 has 450 horsepower Cummins, but this does come in with an optional 605. So be on the lookout for everything that's coming in 605. You need a 605, you call me Sune Stewart at RV Select. If you like this content, please like and subscribe so we can make more videos for you.